Yeah.
That would work. Something simple. I don't need anything crazy.
Okay, so हम 4th-5th स्टोर में आए.
Yeah.
लिया हमने कुछ लाइबा. People put sugar,
I
tea,
put salt.
coffee.
It's nice though, no?
It's nice. Got it. You can do it, Laiba. So ये आज हमारी रफ्तारी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग. उम्मीद है आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे. चलें आज क्या कर रहे हैं. आज लाइबा आएगी. लाइबा के साथ जाएंगे होम डिपो शॉपिंग करने के लिए. लाइबा ने लेना है शैंडियर. किचन में उसके पॉट लाइट्स लगी हुई, जैसे हमारे पहले शैंडियर थे हमने उतरवा दिए और अब शैंडियर का दोबारा फैशन आ गया है. तो ये तो फैशन चेंज होते रहते हैं. तो चलें तैयारी करेंगे और जाएंगे होम डिपो आपके साथ. They're already dying before going your place, Lab.
I know. They needed to be alive here and then die at my place.
Allah na kare.
No, that's what's been happening.
I know. Like, what do you know? This flower is so nice.
Bangin, like I would plant bangans and stuff.
Bangan laga di do? Really?
Like, yeah,
out of all the vegetables.
I love bangans.
Well, marks तो चले गए हैं. मैं तो used to हूँ. आप लोग भी used to हो जाएं क्योंकि सुना है दोबारा आ रहे हैं.
I can't breathe in mine. So until they make it a rule,
Yeah.
I'm staying like this.
Like that. Okay, लाइबा आई थी शॉपिंग के लिए यहाँ पे लाइट्स लेने के लिए. नज़र तो कुछ भी नहीं आया लाइट.
No, nothing. Oh, let's look at patio furniture.
Yeah, let's go. लाइबा के पास ह्यूज पैटियो है जिस पे वो लगाएगी.
Mom, you're such a shit talker. This too.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but these are big, Laiba.
No, these are big.
Yeah, these are big. Oh, look
But
at that
you know
chair.
what I'm saying.
So pretty. You put one. This one.
ये तो नहीं आएगा.
नहीं
Yeah,
आएगा?
no.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Look,
like
look,
that.
look,
That
look.
would
Yeah,
fit.
that will fit.
But I would need like one in the
This
corner
way and one
with
the
it,
other.
and then how?
Yeah, you have to squeeze and walk around.
Yeah. Or the. Yeah, you're right. These two.
Yeah, these are too big. Probably. They have outdoor list. I point पे नहीं जा रहे क्योंकि रोज़ा है. हम जा रहे हैं lighting पे.
I do want to go to Nihari.
Yeah, we should go
It's gonna be
one
so
day.
busy for iftar every
Yeah.
every time.
Let's see now. Lighting.
A lot of light.
Lots of lights. Yeah, but I don't like those ones. No. इतनी सारी लाइटें इनमें से चूज करना भी मुश्किल है. You should choose and then come here, Laiba. Look at amazing lights. No, this one you should look here. जो हमने फेंके ये वही वाले. जो हमने फेंके घर में से निकाल के ये वही है exactly. But might you like something, no? So second shop पे आए, third shop पे आए, पर अभी तक लाइबा को कुछ पसंद नहीं है. लाइबा, you like it this one? You like it, but
I don't love it. I have to love it.
she likes this one handle. और किचन 3 चाहिए इसको.
I
But
like
she
it,
says
but
she
I don't love it.
doesn't.
I just don't know because I don't know if I like the bulb showing.
Yeah, I know. That's weird. Like, you just want to like
See, what
something
about like
simple.
see if they had something like this, but in gold.
Yeah.
That would work. Something simple. I don't need anything crazy. I
Yeah,
just need
that's true.
simple. Or like इसके अगर इसके ऊपर
हाँ, कुछ लगा होता, drops लगे होते हैं ना कुछ.
yeah something.
Yeah. Well, I guess today is not luck for you. What can we do?
That side.
Yeah, check it, Steve.
And I can't like spray paint it.
No, you can. Like a lot of people are doing. I did too. Not the chandelier, but I did it for different things.
But I would need 2. That's the thing. 329.
329.
Yeah, 30 will be
But it's cute, huh?
like 8 200.
Yeah. So it's nice.
It's nice though. I like it.
It's very
and I
nice.
can put a cushion, and I need
Yeah.
2 though. I need 1 there, 1 here.
Yeah. It's very nice actually.
But I don't have the. Am I gonna be able to get
Yeah. Okay, so हम 4th 5th स्टोर में आए.
Yeah.
लिया हमने कुछ भी नहीं कहीं से भी.
It's a fail.
It's a fail day today. लेकिन a lot of good stuff. वो जो स्टोर था साथ में बुकलेयर वो बंद हो रहा है. 70% ऑफ है अगर आप लोगों को चाहिए. 30% ऑफ.
30 to 70, I guess.
30 to 70. और अगर आप लोगों को कुछ चाहिए, हमें वो चेयर लाइबा को पसंद आई लेकिन वो सिर्फ 1 पीस था. तो लाइबा नीडेड 2. लेकिन अब हम आए हैं होम सेंस पे. और इस मैचेस विथ योर थीम लाइबा.
That's what I'm saying. But do you think it's
Sorry. What do you want to put it in?
Put it on the counter.
Put tea bags, whatever
I
you
put
use.
salt because I use salt.
Laiba. People put sugar,
I
tea,
put
coffee.
salt. I'd put salt. I'd put tea bags. Just those two.
Yeah,
But where
so
would
take
I put
two.
it? Where?
Okay,
Where
that
in my
you have to
house?
know.
But it's
Yeah.
cute because it's more pink.
They're very,
things.
yeah, it's pink and beige, your wood.
Should I just get
tone.
two and see where I'll put it? I'm gonna put it.
Okay. Think by the time we're walking. So
Think
it looks
so?
nice, this color. It's summer, it's spring.
Wait, is
And then-
it's for outdoor or no?
Yeah, what do you mean it's outdoor?
Do you think I should get it?
No, but you have to measure the size, Laiba.
3-piece, $3.99, or is it just
No,
$3.99
no.
for the chair? Because if it's $3.99 for everything, that's not bad.
That's not bad. You can change next year.
But
No?
it's broken too.
Oh. लेने से पहले
कहाँ
टूटा हुआ
जाता है?
ये तो कहीं पे भी जाता होगा लेकिन it's broken. That's why they put it on sale maybe.
But I'll tell it.
Yeah.
It's nice though, no? What do you
It's
think?
nice. It's nice. Very
Think it
nice.
would work?
सो लाइबा को पसंद तो आया है लेकिन किसी से पूछेंगे उसमें थोड़ा सा डैमेज भी है और उस पर बैठ के देखेंगे कि वो कंफर्टेबल है कि नहीं. ऐसा ना हो कि ले भी लें और कंफर्टेबल भी ना हो.
I can do it's broken. Yeah, it's not bad.
है ना? It's not
I can
bad.
get cushions
Yeah.
for it.
Yeah, cushions are separate, huh? So you can get the cushions. Those
The only
pink.
pink they have.
Yeah,
right?
pink.
Is it even pink?
Yeah, it's kind of pink. Better than you have.
Mine are so
dirty.
stained. Because I just,
Yeah.
Mom, because I actually use them unlike.
Okay, लाइबा. मैं तो उसामा से कहती हूँ हाथ में लगाओ मेरे टॉवल्स को.
I use them.
Okay, ये भी ले लो एक.
For you?
No, for you.
You?
I don't need pink.
No, this one I'll get.
Lava hate my white kitchen, but oh, this is cute. Yeah,
Chalo.
sure.
Good.
Good job. Yeah, good shopping, Lava. Good shopping. No, I think so. We are good. You don't need pots and stuff, no. No. So pinky. Yeah, why is pink so much pink? You want anything for pink for your kitchen? No. So Lava apparently have a vase without thing.
Put one of these in it, but these are too long.
So
Mama, the vase is like no.
no.
The vase is like half that size.
तो काट दो इसको नीचे से. इसको काट सकती हो ना नीचे से.
I don't know.
Yeah, you can.
Should I do pink and beige or just beige?
Which room you're gonna put it?
It's
You
in
have.
my bedroom.
So you have a pink, brown, beige, everything you
No,
have.
these are way too long. I'll have to find shorter ones.
Oh, चल. No, I think so. Mood.
Mojo.
Now लाइबा in a rush के जाके फटाफट लगा दे.
Yeah.
लाइबा का ये काम है और फिर बाद में बस भूल जाओ. Pink, a lot of pink they have. No, I don't know. Like
any decor.
yeah, I don't know why pink is in a season this
No,
season.
Mom, pink. It's always been around.
No,
you just,
but no, I don't
you
think
just
so.
noticed it.
Don't think so. I think so. Every season
You know
has
what
a
I need?
color.
My glasses have all
Glasses.
broken. When
Oh,
I
yeah.
clean them, my fist goes in it and they crack. My hard jacket.
तो ग्लास ले लो ना. ग्लास अभी गए थे तो ग्लास सेक्शन में. We'll go.
Or just leave it. No one brings
No?
glass. No.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go.
चलो.
I'm still trying to think if I should buy those sugar pots.
What is sugar pots? Oh, pink one. No, if you have a space, then buy it. I don't like clutter counters. So yeah. Bye. And then now we have to call Papa. Who's there? No? Oh my God. We have to put the stuff in. Okay, let me call Papa. No? Got it. You can do it, Lama. तो ये सारा सामान हमने होम सेंस से लिया. इससे पहले कि आपके क्वेश्चन आए कहाँ से लिया है, तो होम सेंस से.